Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to add timesheet from the CRM. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here module timesheet from opportunity. First install this module, so click on this activate button. First go to CRM app, go to opportunity and see here this options timesheet. First select here project like office design and set here plan hour for this project, total 5 hours. Now add date, set employee like Beth events, add description, complete this. Project is office design and write year hours, this for how many times spent, so total 3 hours. Another employee is Doris. About this project is office design and total hours spent for this 4 hours. Let's say you. So total hours is 7 and planned hour is 5. It means total remaining hour display here below total 2 hours and also display above progress bar 100%. Now go to timesheet and also edit here Doris call and Beth events for project is office design, description and total time spent for this project. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.